Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning students. How are you all? Hope you will be fine. What is day today? Today is Tuesday. Tues Tuesday, day Tuesday and date 8th and month December and year 2020. Which period is this? English period. How many months are there in a year? There are 12 months in a year. Start months name January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Today our topic is alphabet from A to Z. Sentence of the week. Excuse me teacher, please give me a star. Opposite of the week. Clean, dirty. Clean, dirty. Action word of the week. Walking. Walking. Learn the spelling of Monday. M-O-N, D-A-Y, day, Monday. T-U-E-S, D-A-Y, day, Tuesday. W-D-W-N-E-S, D-A-Y, day, Wednesday. T-H-U-R-S, D-A-Y, day, Thursday. F-R-I, fry, D-A-Y, day, Friday. How many weathers? There are 5 weathers. Tell me weather's name. Sunny day, rainy day, foggy day, windy day, cloudy day. What is the weather like today? Today is sunny day. Let's start ABC rhyme. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Happy, happy, I shall be. Learn my ABC. Next time you will sing with me. Let's start the phonics. A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, F, G, G, H, I, E, J, J, K, K, L, M, N, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, S, T, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, Z. Let's start words with E. E, double G, egg, E, Y, E, I, E, A, R, ear. Egg, I, ear. Wow. Again, let's start words with E. E, double G, egg, E, Y, E, I, E, A, R, ear. Egg, I, ear. Revise series words. En gives the sound of N. M-N, men. P-N, pen. D-N, den. T-N, ten. H-N, hen. O-T gives the sound of ought. K-ought, got. Students, do you know what is the starting letter of your name? Tell me. Suppose my name starts with R. And yours? How many weathers? There are 5 weathers. How many weathers? There are 5 weathers. Tell me weather's name. Sunny day, rainy day, foggy day, windy day, cloudy day.